Tom Robertson Architects have reconfigured a small heritage workers' cottage in the back streets of Melbourne to bring light and volume into the once dark spaces of this site. The resulting forms create a sense of spaciousness and adapt to a more contemporary living style. The house uses a strong monochromatic palette throughout, starting at the new, bold zinc facade and the black and white kitchen within. Internally, the feel is clean, calm, with the natural timber flooring and striking staircase providing warmth and softening. To overcome the site's size restrictions, a grand double-height space has been created, allowing light to flood into the open plan space at the center of the site. A mezzanine is suspended within this volume, providing a subtle private escape. A refined kitchen has been designed in close collaboration with the owners. This precise customization allows for a highly functional and refined aesthetic. The controlled tones continue into the ensuite through gray terrazzo tilling, crisp white porcelain bench tops, and bold black tapware. Directly above the walk-in shower, an oversized skylight allows the much-welcomed sky views. In bold contrast with the general internal light tones, the ensuite form is clad in black lining boards and is easily identifiable from each of the surrounding spaces. The Carlton House is an example of clever spatial configuration, controlled volumes, and simple design aesthetic. Now transformed, the house is full of light and life.